Watch that.
Yeah, I like this.
I can put that in there, so I just took out the dirt and put it in there.
Oh.
Yeah, 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 yeah. No. Are you not ticklish still? You mad, are you? You're mad. You're mad. You're mad. You're mad. You're mad. Mad, mad, mad. I think you're mad, mad, mad. What are you mad about? Oh, Kabul. Yeah, you got ants all over you and everything. You got ants all over you everything. I see you. Oh, wow. Huh? Regurt? Why you regurt? You got regurt? You got regurt? You got regurt? I'll make sure you more air. I see you, baby, 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 baby. What? Do 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 do. Crazy. And I know millions of people living in war. Crazy. And not feeling. Waffles. We got waffles in there. Why we make pancakes? We got waffles. I know. Yeah, it makes sense. Cause why make it when you got it? You know what I mean? Baby, baby. Mommy. Yeah. Mommy. Yeah. He said, I want mommy. I want mommy. I need mommy. I want mommy. Oh, he said. He said just like that. I want mommy. I want mommy. I need mommy. I said. Yeah.
You know that song by Green Day?
Yeah.
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
Crazy. And not what, Christmas?
Yeah, and then he said AC on the top and his wife on the top. I wonder how he knows that. Or he probably just.
Oh,
And
what, what?
he's more he like more hip hop.
Oh, what, what? Oh, what, 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 oh, I'm sorry. You want to play Beat Tickle today?
Oh, I know what I'm gonna Oh. Oh, you got Samantha, the third, right? It's Samantha the
Oh,
third.
she's Baby Z. Baby Z. Hey.
She's also Samantha. Oh, I downloaded Castle Story, and I was trying to put Sammy, but now it's Sammy. Sammy 9971. But the name of my kingdom is Sammy 110113.
What's wrong? You tired? Hey. You tired? Oh, come on. It's bottle time. Bottle time. It's bottle time. For you, it's snoring time. It is snoring time. And she going to snoring time. And she got to snoring time. messed up when I did. I messed up real bad.
Well, why did she ask you to do it?
Look at the bottom.
Oh, who did that?
Walking.
So those used to be.
Are you gonna wear a muumuu?
Huh?
Are you gonna wear a muumuu?
A muumuu?
No, muumuu.
Muumuu?
A muumuu. You know what a muumuu is? Like a dress-like thing. A muumuu.
Oh, I just put this on because it's warm.
I'm not cold anymore. I was cold, but now I ain't cold.
Because it was on 16, now it's on 70. Oh, look what I also found.
Yeah. A blue one. You got blue and blue one, right?
Oh, this one is muumuu?
No, the muumuu is right. A dress like muumuu.
Remember Molly?
Molly Mukau. Molly Mukau. Mukau Molly. Muumuu. Huh? You was wrong for that time. You're real wrong. So you already couch. Let me help you up. There you go. Whoa. Go down. There you got you. You're up. Anyway. I got videos. I got pictures and videos of her still. How long time?
You got any pictures of Abby?
Yeah. Abby, Roscoe, No Name, No Name.
What, there?
Yep. I got pictures of them all.
What about Purple Haze?
Yep.
You got pictures of Purple Haze?
What's on Purple Haze?
Fish?
Yeah, I got pictures of Purple Haze. Oh, but you had the fishbowl with the thingy on top of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got that, yeah. I got pictures of the fish too. They got a lot of pictures.
Got any pictures of Nala?
Yep. They got a lot of pictures. You don't believe how many pictures. You don't believe how many pictures I have. I have a whole lot. More than you ever think I have. Purple Haze. Oh, yeah. You just shoot. Come here. Think about her. There you go. You gotta hold it. I want to hold it for you. I'm being lazy. You know you can hold it.
She's getting to be a big girl, ain't she?
And you get lazy too.
Oh, I didn't know she
What?
pretty tight.
Yeah, they do. I tell you what's fully charged. Remember? There you go. Right there. Yep. Huh?
Oh, she can't have this. It's too hot. I hope the dogs don't get it. Oh, you wanna look out the window? I know, I definitely don't nap, but I don't care, I'm bored. Let's try.
Okay.
Let's close it.
you know, there's a million people, right? Live in this world.
More like billions. More like billions.
You know what that's from? Crazy Train.
Oh.
You learn how to love and you learn how to hate.
Which one would be the best to order?
Who knows?
$25. Well, do they care if we were, what size should I get? 8?
D8, K9, divide 4.
Okay. Let's see if that's for it. Okay. No, I want to give all the gifts.
They all sizes. You know all these sizes?
I thought D had on a pair that was a size 8 and said they were too tight on.
Well, give them size 9. You know, this same clothes is different sizes, different brands. So one size might be different than the other brand. So we give them might be too big for them. It may be 9, it may be too big. It might be right, or it might be too big too. Some might be.
Just like every other clothing.
It's just like shoes. It varies in size. Hey.
Well, you got cars on sale for 6 pairs. 5 actually. All guys are different. All different prices.
Who coming up?
Are you okay, Annie? Are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? You've been hit by, you've been struck by a smooth criminal. Let me see what let's order this.
She believe up in you.
Okay. You believe up in me.
You would too.
Hey, I'm about to order these for $6.30 each. They're 5-pack. The council, they could always resign.
Everybody knew that. Everybody knew that. Even Wolfman knew that. Frankenstein knew that. Dracula knew that. They all like to wear that. You know what I'm talking about, do you? I lost you?
Where were you under?
Huh?
I said, where were you under?
Who?
Crazy.
It fit him, you know. He don't want his stuff hanging out and everything when he's walking. He may sit between the legs and because you walk slow.
Oh, they don't have size 9, they have size 8. They don't have size 11, they don't have size 13, they don't have size 15 or 17. So I'm gonna have to get size 8.
You go hurt way.
What transformation
With the werewolf? You heard popping away the bones. Of the bones popping. You should hear like this.
Yeah.
Imagine my heels in the way. Imagine my heels, they hit right in the eye.
Somebody said, what TV show was that?
What?
What movie was that, Howling?
Yeah. That's Howling. That's an old movie. That's really old. I say, bitch, the older than you. It's older than you. It's me. I seen when I was little. When I first time I was little when I seen it. First
Teenager?
time. Yeah, yeah. I seen it I seen it in '81, but I seen it when was on TV when it showed on TV.
81, we turned 10.
Yeah, I didn't see it.
You got to see the preview.
Yeah, I saw a trailer of Jaws that you do.
Dun 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 dun.
And then you see Red come up.
Yeah. Yeah, we got this one.
It's just like people see that Jimmy just got pulled in the water. You see Red came up. When the girl got pulled in the water, Red came up. The girl moved the ladder fell and when it caught the girl hanging and she fell in the water.
Yeah.
On TV they cut all that they cut a lot of stuff off on TV.
That comic part right here, right here.
When they lift her up and everything, they skip that part. Remember they lift her out the water? They put it under. They didn't show that part. They skipped it. They show her going to the water, that's it. They show everybody turn like this. That's all they show. The girl, girl got killed too. The main lead girl got killed at the end.
Yeah, she
Sacrificed herself.
cut her hand. Here, come to mama.
She got killed. I see a lot of bloody movies. A lot of blood. I see a lot of them.
Boo.
See, when I seen April Fool's Day, I loved it. I seen that, the original.
Sorry, honey.
I thought it was love. It used to come on Creature, Double Feature. It used to come on Free Theater. It used to come yeah, it came on one of them shows. Oh, them people were live, you know. But they edited a lot of them out. What you watching?
I'm not watching anything. I'm trying to.
Oh. You know, guess who nicknamed Underoos? Underoos?
Oh, can we push that,
Yeah. You know who Underoos? You know who nicknamed Underoos, right? You know who that is? You said, Jack, just look at Jack. Underoos? And then he came. You know what Underoos is?
right off the bat. Oh my god.
You don't know who that is? You don't know?
No, oh my gosh, but I won't find it.
Underoos is Spider-Man.
Oh.
Let's call him Underoos.
Alright.
Let's call him Underoos.
Hmm.
Tony Stark called Spider-Man. Peter Parker Underoos. Either Underoos? That's on Civil War.
No.
I have been on Civil War. Go Underoos. Go Underoos. He missed a lot of good stuff, yeah. Underoos? That's gonna be your nickname. Underoos. No, that'd be. Let's see, who was Underoos?
Oh, hey, you're interviewing me.
No, I'm not. I'm just talking to you.
Interviewing
The
me.
snore. Oh, I've been told that I should open your mouth